Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is Lamb Humba. Humba is a Visayan recipe and is a sweet version of adobo. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my lamb humba: lamb, garlic, bay leaves, brown sugar, onion, soy sauce, ground black pepper, and 7-Up. We're using 7-Up, but you can also use Sprite. This is very easy dish to cook. Just put everything in one pot and let the ingredients work their magic. Now let's start cooking. In a cold pot, add all the ingredients. Lamb, garlic, onion, sugar, bay leaves, ground black pepper, soy sauce, and 7-Up. Give everything a stir. Wow, this humba ingredient smells delicious. Now let's combine everything and put it on a heat. And bring it to boil. And cover. And bring it to boil. That's it guys, it's very easy humba recipe. Now our humba is boiling, we can turn the heat to low. Cover and simmer. After 30 minutes, let's give everything a stir. Cover and simmer for another 15 minutes. After 45 minutes of total cooking time, your lamb humba is now ready to serve. Now let's taste it. Delicious humba. Enjoy the lamb humba with rice. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.